you know that inspiration comes to you at the most random times. This unit allows you to prep for sets literally wherever you go. It's one of the smallest, most liberating DJ controllers for Serato software. It also comes with Serato DJ Lite and is upgrade ready for Serato DJ Pro. You also have the ability to stream music using Serato software. With the DJ2GO2 Touch, you never have to worry about being without your setup. Literally just plug it right into your laptop, launch Serato, and you're ready to go. Alright, let's explore some of the features. On the DJ2GO2 Touch, you have two audio outputs. The main 1/8" output lets you connect your speaker or sound system. There's also an 1/8" headphone output for cueing. The master output is controlled by the master gain knob. In this controller, you have a small set of wheels, but they can do a lot. The jog wheels are designed to emulate a vinyl feel. They give you a light, detailed response to move around your track, backspin, fast forward, and even to scratch. In the center of the controller, you have your push browse knob. You can use this to quickly jump in and out of your Serato crates. Once you find the song that you want, simply tap on the load button of the deck that you want to load it to. Find the song you want, press the load button, and let's go. So let's start to blend in the second track. You're going to want to press the cue button over here. This is going to send the mix directly to your headphones. Totally different from what the audience hears, that's just for you. Once you're sure your tracks are aligned, you can blend in the second track. Let's go ahead and load a new song to deck 2. But this time, we're going to use the sync button. This is going to make sure that both of your tracks are playing back at the same BPM and both in time with each other. Pad modes. Let's talk about them, guys. We've got 4 modes: cue, auto loop, manual loop, and sampler. Cue points let you jump to any predetermined point in your track. You can assign a cue point to each of the 4 pads. Just hold down pad mode, press the cue you want to remove, and it's gone. This assigns different loop lengths to your pads. Automatically beat sync to the grid in Serato, so you don't have to worry about any timing issues. This allows you to create your own custom loops. Just press 1 to start the loop, 2 to exit the loop, and then 3 to resume your track. Last but definitely not least is the sampler. This assigns different samples and DJ drops to the 4 pads. Learning to DJ on the DJ2GO2 Touch is super intuitive. Even if you're a seasoned pro, DJ2GO2 Touch is the perfect tool to create amazing sets while you're sitting at your desk or at your favorite cafe. There's really a lot with this controller that allows you to customize your set and make something that people will really remember.